final grades are out.
Oh, let me check mine right now. Nice, I got all A's. Wait, how did I get an F in Intro to Riz?
Yeah, I got one too. I just was too embarrassed to tell you guys.
Hey.
Oh man, I got an F in Intro to Riz.
Oh, who am I gonna take to the dance?
Yeah, March 2nd is really soon.
I hope we all get dates soon.
Shoot, man. With no Riz, we won't get a date to SnowCo.
Whoa, who summoned me?
I guess we did?
How can I assist you?
Well, we have no Riz and none of us can find a date to SnowCo.
Well, you've come to the right guy. Hey, hand me the TV remote. Let me show you guys some classics. I'm sure you'll find a date that way.
Whew, I'm tired.
Hit it! Would you go to the dance with me?
Yes!
Wow, I can't believe that worked. But I need to find my boys a date also.
Perfect. Robert, have you heard of Battle of Bloomfield happening during the week of SnowCo?
No.
Well, let's take you there.
Let's go.
Wait, can you order me a Diet Coke with no ice?
The game's about to end.
No, please, I'm really thirsty.
Fine. All right, here you go.
No, I wanted a Diet Coke.
No. All right, here you go.
Thank you so much. You're such a good guy. Will you be my date to SnowCo?
Yeah.
Yay!
Perfect. I got a date now, but we still need a date for my boy Connor.
I got just the right idea. Let's go there.
Sorry I'm late.
Oh, it's okay. Wait, why'd you want to work with me?
Well, to be honest with you, Lola, I love that you get cold when it's 71 degrees out. I love that it takes you an hour and a half for you to order a sandwich. I love that you get a little crinkle above your nose when you're looking at me like I'm nuts. And I love that you are the last person I text before I go to sleep at night. And it's not because I really want to go to SnowCo with somebody. I came here today because when you realize you want to go to SnowCo with somebody, you want that to start as soon as possible.
How could I say no to going to SnowCo with you?
Yes, now we all have dates.
Yep, just had to trust the process. I'll see you guys on SnowCo. Remember, doors open at 7, close at 8.
I love you.